Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Boombox 3. In this video I'll show you how to check firmware of your speaker and how to update it. In the beginning, make sure that the speaker is connected with the JBL Portable app and enter the app. As you can see, software update is available, so let's enter it and update. Now the software will automatically update. Now the speaker will reset. And now it will automatically connect to your smartphone again. Tap Let's Party and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.